Hello my dear friend, here that's the PC30 kit version excavator. I'm testing the hydraulic system. Also you can see the parts. So the bucket, it is only this size. And here we have the main frame, rubber track. So here that's the rotation, slipper ring, oil ring. That's the cylinders and the drive. So this drive will be drive motor gearbox. And here that's the hydraulic system. So all this ESC here connecting to S battery. So now I'm connecting one cylinder for testing the pump. So mix running it. Also you can start the pump directly. You can see the pump is turning very smoothly. So slowly start. Slow speed, speed up. Slow down. So also now our pump off. Only mix start, we can open the valve for this cylinder. Slowly, full speed, back, slowly. You can see how much I'm pushing it. Slowly back. Pump already start. Slowly, speed up. Forward, slowly. It's going. Speed up. Speed up. It's a very good control. So because it's a piston valve inside, so you can see from here when the servo turning with a cam ruler pushing it, so the piston inside is a steel piston always pushed by a spring on top. So the cam shaft here, the cam ruler is here pushing it for opening different oil channel inside the valve housing. So here got the pressure release valve. So from a suction of the pump from the oil tank to the pump, it's all these CNC alloy block. Internal have the channel for oil suction, discharging, return line to the oil tank. Thank you. Soon I will get the ready to run version, show you all the function.